you are the buyer. This is the approach you should take when prepping and staging your home. Make sure your home makes a positive statement by carefully inspecting details and viewing it through the objective eyes of a buyer. Note and address needed repairs and any touch-ups. These are the first items that will stand out to the buyers. Ensure that your home stands out favorably from the competition. Always remember the 3 Ds in preparing your home for sale. Number 1, depersonalize. Your home is for sale, and it should be presented to the prospective buyer as such. Typically, it's difficult for a buyer to envision themselves in the home with a large amount of personal effects and images and drawings, anything that's family related or personal. In addition, vibrant colors on the walls, children's drawings tend to distract from key features of the homes. Perhaps you may want to opt for a color change to something a little bit more neutral. Consider a furniture store showroom and how it's staged for the customer. This approach will help you prepare each room in your home. If a customer would not buy the displayed item, remove it. Replace it with artwork or a plant or simply nothing at all. Number 2, declutter. When staging your home, keep it simple. A minimalist approach is the best way to attract buyers. This always allows buyers the freedom to envision themselves in their new home. Decluttering a home may seem a daunting task, I know, trust me, but it's well worth the investment. Decluttering is the easiest and most cost-effective home improvement the owner can make when selling their home. Mobile storage is a great service to quickly clear away clutter without a large investment. Items can be easily held and delivered to your new destination once the home's sold. Number 3, deep clean. Keep in mind, clean is a relative term for everyone. Even though your home is clean, a prospective buyer might have a different opinion. It's always best to make sure the home is presented as best as possible. Low cost, highly effective, and timely home improvements include hiring a professional home cleaning service, professional carpet cleaning, window cleaning, lawn care, even a landscape company if you'd like. Good luck on selling your home, and as always, feel free to contact me anytime. Talk to you soon.